Assalamu alaikum and good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fine and having great time at home. I welcome you all to the Smart School e-lesson classroom. Now let's see what are we going to do today. We will learn about the capital C and the small c and its sound K. We will also learn the words that begin with K, the formation of K. So let's begin the class. This is the capital C. This is the small c and its sound is K.
Letter C. Letter C. Letter C. Letter C. The crab is eating carrots and cupcakes and corn. Carrots and cupcakes and corn. The cat has a clock and a candle and a cup. A clock and a candle and a cup. The cow has a coat and a cap and a cape. A coat and a cap and a cape. There's a cow in a car with a cat and a crab. There's a cow and a cat and a crab. A cow and a cat and a crab. Letter C. Letter C. Letter C. Letter C.
Now listen carefully and repeat the sound and the words after me. Cake, cookie, candy, camel, candle. Now let's see how we can write K.
Curl around the cozy cat and stop. Cat. Curl around the cozy cat and stop. Car. Curl around the cozy cat and stop. Carrot. Curl around and stop.
This is your day 1 task. You need to practice writing K as many times as you can on your green boards. You can also make red and black lines with a tape or a permanent marker on your green board. Write K in between second and third line. This is your day 2 task. This task should be done in your Smart Language workbook. In the hollow letter, start from the starting point and follow the arrows. Write K as many times as you can with different pencil colors on page 5. And you need to color the pictures as well. And on page 6, you need to trace, write and color K. This is your day 3 task. This task should be done in your notebook. On first page, in the hollow letter, start from the starting point and follow the arrows. You need to write K as many times as you can with different pencil colors, and you need to color in the picture of cake, or you can make any other picture that begin with the sound k. And on the second page, write k in between second and third line. Let's see what have we learned today. We have learned about the capital C and the small c and its sound k. We have also learned about the words that begin with k, like k cake, k cookie, k cat, k car, k carrot, and what else? K candle. Well done, everyone. We have also learned to write k.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know